Hello students, welcome to my channel Brothers Academy. Today we will talk about second chapter of our computer book, Hardware and Software, Chapter 2, Part 4. In today's video we will discuss the questions raised in the previous session, followed by the utility software. We will take a look at the scanning utility software, and at the end we will summarize the entire chapter. So let's begin. The questions which we raised in the last session: classify the following in system software, application software, and utility software category. And the options were Windows OS, MS Word, Chrome, McAfee, Diskkeeper, Java, and PowerPoint. And the answer is Windows OS is a type of operating system which falls under the system software category. Then we have the MS Word, PowerPoint, Chrome, and Java, which falls under the application software category. And McAfee and Diskkeeper falls under the utility software category. Next one, what type of software interact with the hardware? It is a system software which interacts with the hardware. What is disk defragmenter? And the answer is a disk defragmenter scans the hard disk for the fragmented files and stores them at one place. The next one, what type of software is backup and compression software? And the answer is backup and compression are utility software. Now let's take a look at the scanning utility. Scanning program is a utility software used to check and correct errors on the hard disk. Basically, it checks the surface of the hard disk, which is divided into parts called sectors, for any defects and mark those defective sectors as bad sectors. Thus, it prevents the data from being written on these bad sectors. This is also called a disk checker. Windows has an inbuilt scanning program which we can access as, you need to go to this PC, select any drive on which you want to run this scanning utility. In this case, we have selected the C drive. Now, right click on this C drive and go to the properties section. You will get this window. In this window, you select the Tools tab and click on Check button. Once you click on the Check button, you will get error checking dialog box opens. You can either cancel it or you can click on Scan drive. Once the scanning is completed, you get a successful message if no errors are detected. In case if there are any errors in the drive, you will get the details of the error along with the message. So this is how you can run the scanning utility on any drive. Students, I want you to practice this and run this scanning utility on your system to have a better understanding. Now, let us summarize the second chapter, hardware and software. So what we have learned in this chapter, we saw that computer is made up of two components, hardware and software. Hardware are the components which we can see and touch, and we saw some of the input devices like barcode reader, which is used by the cashier in the supermarket. Then we saw MICR, which is primarily used in banks for scanning of the checks, optical character reader, optical mark reader, and the card reader. We also looked at the output devices, which basically convey the information from the computer to the user. We saw some of the output devices like LCD projector, Braille printer, and plotter. Then we looked at the software. Software can be classified into three categories: system software, utility software, and application software. In system software, we saw operating system, device drivers, and language translators. In the utility software, we saw antivirus, backup, compression, and disk defragmenter. Application software. These are the software which are designed to help user to do specific work on the computer. And in this we saw journal purpose software and the customized application software. And in today's video, we looked at the scanning, which is a type of utility software. So with this, we come to the end of chapter 2. Students, I hope you have enjoyed all the videos and have learned something out of it. Please go through all the videos thoroughly to have a better understanding. In case of any doubt or clarification, please put it in the comment section. I will be uploading the videos of next chapter in few days. Till then, bye bye. Take care.